hoist hanger or hurricane tie holding your deck together may look simple, but if that one small link is weak, the entire structure can come down. That's why every new connector, before it ever reaches a job site, must go through a brutal series of structural tests. This process is handled by independent, accredited labs. Their no skin in the game status means architects, insurers, and code officials can actually trust the numbers. The journey starts with early prototypes. Smart companies test these first, in-house or at a low-cost lab. It's a strategy of failing fast. Catching a weak weld or a misaligned nail hole here might cost $3,000, but finding that same flaw later during the official accredited test could mean a $30,000 rerun. The lesson is simple. Fail with inexpensive samples, then pass once when the stakes are high. When that official testing begins, labs follow a strict rulebook. They test for load capacity, pushing a connector until it physically breaks or slips. They check for corrosion by blasting it with a hot, salty fog for over 1,000 hours to simulate decades of coastal air. They even test for fire resistance, bolting a connector into a frame and shoving it in a furnace to see if it holds its load as the structure around it chars. To calculate the final published strength, labs take 3 key numbers: the ultimate failure point, the load where it slips just 1/8 of an inch, and a standard engineering calculation. They take the lowest of those 3 values and divide it by a safety factor of 3. This ensures the capacity listed on the box is conservative and reliable. This entire process, from the first prototype to the final audit of the factory floor, transforms raw data into a market passport, proof that a small piece of steel can carry life-safety loads through wind, rain, and fire. At Kite Compliance, we understand how overwhelming physical product compliance can feel. That's why we're building tools to make the process clear, simple, and faster.